So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this is the new OnePlus 7. Not the Pro version, it's the normal OnePlus 7. Go beyond the speed. Let us just unbox this and see what's inside. So guys, this is the box. I unboxed this. First, there's a box inside. Let's see what are the contents. So a rubber TPU case. Good to see this. They are bundling it. Okay. So a protective layer for headphone jack or your USB Type-C port. Some SIM ejector tool. The sticker says go beyond speed and some general instructions. Let me keep this for the side right now. Some paperwork, quick start guide, and OnePlus stickers. Let me keep everything aside. Let's see what's inside the box now. This is your handset, the OnePlus 7. A welcome letter from the CEO of the company. And this is your dash charger, which is 20-watt fast charger, 5-volt 4-ampere charger, fast charger, and our USB Type-C cable. There's no headphone jack, and this is sad to see that they haven't bundled any Type-C to 3.5mm adapter or anything. So this is the handset, guys. Normal. It looks very much like your OnePlus 6T. This is the speaker grill and this is the microphone grill. They have added a secondary speaker here also. It's a dual speaker phone right now. 16 megapixel front camera, 48 megapixel back camera, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. Type-C port, your volume rockers, SIM card. This is your alert slider. This is on normal, then on vibration, on silent, and back on normal. And the power button. Let me boot it now. So guys, the very first thing I will like to show about this phone is the improved fingerprint sensor. I just keep the finger and it's unlocked. To see how fast it is, I just keep the finger and it unlocks. It unlocks almost every time I keep my finger at the right position. The very fast speed. And second, I would like to show how the dual speakers work. Let me show you a non-copyright video. I can see a shooting star. Oh no, what happened?
No stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast.
Look, I will.
Call me a shooting star.
It's fully functional.
Let know you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star.
So fully functional dual speakers and typical OnePlus UI. You can see that this phone have 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage with 48 plus 5 megapixel dual camera, Android version 9, and OnePlus 7 is the model. It's come on March batch. I think I need to update it. Let's check if there are any update or not. Just update, yeah. It's checking for updates. Let me check if there is an update or not. It's downloading some stuff, that's why. Okay, so there is a 223 MB's update. DC dimming features already added in this update, and patch is 4 of April. I think there must be more updates coming. So guys, this is the typical OnePlus 7. Let me show how it will look if I put the rubber case supplied with the phone. This is the rubber TPU case, and this is how your phone will look if you apply the case. It unlocks superbly faster than OnePlus 60. I have used the OnePlus 60 also, but this phone unlocks way faster than OnePlus 60 because of the third generation in-display fingerprint scanner. So guys, now let me show you some samples of camera and let you decide how is the camera in this phone or whether it's worth to buy this phone or not. Recording this video from the back camera of the phone, and this will give you an idea about how the photos and videos will look in the back camera mode. But let me remind you one thing, just like Vivo and Oppo phones, the camera is giving output of image of only 12 megapixels. You have to use the manual mode to use the full capacity, that is 48 megapixel of this camera. Now shooting this video from the front camera of the phone, and this will give you an idea about how the photos and videos will look from front camera, that is 16 megapixels camera. So that's it guys for the unboxing and the first look of the phone. Tell me in the comments at what you like about the phone and what you didn't like about the phone. And I will make an in-depth review of this phone after some days of usage. Until then, goodbye, take care. It's DC Technical logging off.